to monitor your logs to check if your application is working. So your application also need to generate log files that you can take a look and confirm that everything is working correctly. If something is wrong, you will also need to have error logs.
Can you feel it wrapped around your soul with no control?
The next recommendation is to monitor your logs to check if your application is working. So your application also need to generate log files that you can take a look and confirm that everything is working correctly. If something is wrong, you will also need to have error logs. Activity logs are something, error logs are something else. PHP has its own error log. I suggest that you have the PHP error log enabled so you can check if there are issues in PHP that are affecting your application. And you also need to monitor those logs, the activity logs and the error logs. The error logs are more important because they reflect things that are not working correctly, and you need to fix those first. Okay, so what I suggest to monitor your logs could be any tool, but I have my own class that I use. I use a class that monitors log files. You give them the path of the log file. It could be the PHP error log file. You also need to be able to enable the PHP error log file in the PHP configuration because it is not enabled by default. So once you change that configuration, restart web server to make sure that PHP configuration is reloaded, you will be able to track any errors that happen in PHP. That is really, really important because many issues that you have in your application lead to errors in PHP code. And you can monitor the error log, the PHP error log, to make sure there are anything there that you need to fix. Okay, I'm going to provide the link to the package that you can download or install using Composer, is whatever means you want. I use this as a separate script with a class. I have a class that calls a script that calls a class that do that. And you can also check a tutorial article that tells about how to detect bugs in your environment as soon as possible using this log watcher class. Okay? All right. If you like this video, make sure that you click on the like button here below. And if you also like to get notifications about when there are new videos like this, probably next week, you just click on the bottom right of the video. There is a button here, it's red. You can touch it or click on the mouse button to make appear the subscribe button. And then you can also click on subscribe button here. It is a bit different just because it appears a black belt that you can click to tell YouTube that you would like to get notifications when there are new videos, so you do not miss any new video that we'll be publishing hopefully every week. So you can also click on the share button here to be able to tell your friends, your family and colleagues that there are interesting videos here on the channel. Certainly they will love you for that if you share interesting videos, because they also want to learn more and be better on what they do. So you can go here and click on the WhatsApp button or in the email button if you want to send a private message, or you can also click on the Facebook and or Twitter buttons if you want to share publicly on the social networks. And you can also click on embed to be able to get HTML code to embed this video on your blog post. So you are free to share this video in many ways. Pick one that you like better. So for now, that is all. Thank you for watching and hope to see you soon on the next video. Bye!
Can you feel it wrapped around your soul?